Right now, workers in the US with AI skills are earning over 60% more than workers without them. And job postings asking for those skills are growing almost 8 times faster than the overall job market. That gap isn't closing, it's getting wider. Everyone keeps saying, learn AI skills, but nobody tells you which ones actually matter. Not learn to code, not a computer science degree. I'm talking about the 5 practical AI skills that are already separating people who get promoted from people who get replaced. And you can start learning all of them this week. Let's get into it. Skill number 1, prompt literacy. This isn't about memorizing magic words. It's about knowing how to give an AI tool 3 things: context, a clear goal, and constraints. A bad prompt says, write me an email. A good prompt says, write a 2-paragraph email to a client who's a week late paying a $4,000 invoice. Firm but polite, no threats. End with a specific next step. That second one takes 10 extra seconds and gets you output you can actually use. People who never learn this stay stuck rewriting AI answers from scratch. People who do learn it get a 90% draft in 30 seconds. Skill number 2, knowing when not to trust the AI. AI tools sound confident, even when they're wrong. That's the single biggest risk in using them at work. The skill here is building a habit. Anytime an AI gives you a number, a quote, a legal claim, or a fact you're going to repeat to someone else, you verify it. You ask for a source. You cross-check it yourself. In the US, this matters even more if you're in a field with real liability. An AI-generated error you didn't catch is still your name on it. The people getting burned right now aren't the ones using AI. They're the ones using it uncritically. Skill number 3, tool selection. There's a chatbot for conversation and research, a coding assistant for programming, an image generator for visuals, a spreadsheet AI for number crunching. They're not interchangeable. You don't need to master all of them. You need to know roughly what each category is good for. So when a task lands on your desk, you're not stuck using a hammer on a screw. Spend one afternoon trying each major category once. That's enough to build the instinct. Skill number 4, editing, not accepting. AI-generated writing has a flavor. It's often generic, a little repetitive, and missing your actual voice or specific details. The people who stand out don't just copy-paste the output. They treat it like a first draft from a junior collaborator. They cut the fluff, add the specific detail only they would know, and make sure it actually sounds like them. This is the difference between content that gets ignored and content that gets read. Skill number 5, and this one's underrated: judgment about what not to hand to AI. Some work should stay human. Sensitive conversations, final decisions that affect people's jobs or money. Anything where the why behind the answer matters as much as the answer itself. The best AI users aren't the ones who automate everything. They're the ones who can draw that line clearly and explain it. So to recap, prompt literacy, verification, tool selection, editing, not accepting, and knowing what not to automate. None of these require a technical background. They require practice. Pick one this week. Try it on a real task. And here's the thing most people miss. You don't need a certificate to put these on your resume or LinkedIn. You need one real example of each. A prompt that worked, a mistake you caught, a piece of AI output you actually improved. That's genuinely how you get ahead of this. Not by reading about AI, but by using it a little more deliberately than everyone else. If this was useful, subscribe for more breakdowns like this. And let me know in the comments which of these 5 you're weakest at. I'll cover it in a future video.